Hey, I'm back. I just wanted to also talk to you about international mortgages. Simple. Basically, if you would like to get a loan in Barbados, you can do so as an overseas client. So if you're from Canada, US, UK, you can actually apply for a mortgage in Barbados. There's specific requirements that you would need to follow, of course. I can send you those requirements prior to being introduced to the lender. And once you can fulfill those criteria, then you're good to go. And I would suggest starting that process as soon as possible before you even really start looking for a property, because it does take some time getting the information in. Obviously the banks will need to do their checks, credit checks and everything, and to make sure everything is above board. So if this is of interest, feel free to email me at travel@inspiredbythecaribbean.com or DM me and I can send you some information. Thank you. Have a good one.